Hello, Diamond Painted Cats and Dogs here. Tolly talking. Welcome to our page, and I am going to do a review on the 2025 Sparkle Days Ahead diamond painting from Diamond Art Club. Okay, to start off, here's January. I'm going to do the likes and the dislikes. We'll start with the dislikes. Right off the bat, in January, the symbol numbers did not match the colors. So you had to kind of improvise on, you know, what colors went to what symbols. And you could do that by just kind of looking at the actual color of the drawing. Like, I don't know right off the top of my head, but let me see something I think I might have. Yeah, I do. In my case here, I have January. No, that's, whoops, that's June. Sorry, my bad. I don't know what I did with January. I have to kip this down, but anyways, make a long story short. Like I said, like 5 was supposed to be blue because the symbol was 5, but it ended up being like an orange, and 8 was supposed to be brown, but it ended up being beige or white. So that was one of the bad things, which I think a lot of people emphasized on January being messed up color-wise. The other thing that we noticed too was the symbols on some of these were super close, and it made for a little bit of crowding inside here. I noticed in July and June, I think the symbols were just, there was too many of them, if that makes sense. Like they printed in too many and it got crowded. So you had to kind of adjust the drill so you couldn't see the symbols. That was another thing that we noticed. The good thing too, the good qualities was, I liked that it's a partial. Here, let me bring this down. I'm sorry. I liked that it was a partial, so it was easy to get done, you know, in an amount of time. That we bought them in late November, so we had to get them done so they could be hung up for 2025. So I do like the partial part. The drills were great. There wasn't no bad ones. I mean, you know, bad ones as in like messed up or anything like that. There might have been like a hole in one, or one was completely a circle, but that was far in between. So I'm just gonna kind of go through this. This is January. You have the option to seal them if you want. I was gonna seal mine, but I think I'm not going to, because it's just gonna hang on the wall, and there'd be no reason for the drills to come off. I rolled them really good, so none should pop off. But here's January completed. Here's February completed. Very pretty. Like I said, there was some crowding, I think, in here, and especially in here in the cups. You know, they have the round circles, guidelines around them, but it's, I don't care. Here's March. Here's April. Real pretty. Flowers and stuff. There's May. And my birthday month. Here's June. Mom birthday month. Here's July. Here's August. September. I like September. I like the colors. There's October, which this was pretty easy to do because there was a lot of multi-placing. Oh, we got a round drill. Huh. This came from another, when I was diamond painting another one. Oh, there's an orange one. Yeah, these, you know, when you're diamond painting, sometimes they go places. But none's popped off. Those were just extras somehow. But like I said, there was a little bit of crowding down in here. So you gotta just kind of be careful, and you gotta watch so they don't pop off. I'm just giving it another one, especially right here in the middle. Okay. So there's October. Here's November. And here's December. And this is the calendar for 2025. And I know if you're seeing this video, this is starting Happy New Year. And I hope that you have a great year. I think it's going to be a good year. And like I said, there's going to be some designing changes to our Facebook page, but nothing else is really going to change. You'll see as the new year comes about here, and please make sure you like, subscribe, and comment, and we'll go from there. But thank you for watching this, and like I said, Happy New Year, and stick around for the next video that we're going to have. Bye.